puppy. Today let's find out the names of 16 different wild animals. Part 4 of 6. The first one on our list for the day is the peacock. Peacock. Then we have the toucan. Toucan. Next is the owl. Owl. Then we have hornbill. Hornbill. The next one is the woodpecker. Woodpecker. Next we have the eagle. Eagle. Moving on, we have the vulture. Vulture. The next one is cobra. Cobra. The next wild animal on our list for the day is the crocodile. Crocodile. Then we have the gharial. Gharial. Moving on, we have the frilled-necked lizard. Frilled-necked lizard. Next is the chameleon. Chameleon. Moving on, we have the red-eyed frog. Red-eyed frog. Next is the python. Python. Then we have the lizard. Lizard. And the last wild animal on our list for the day is the turtle. Turtle. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different wild animals. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. And be sure to check out the other parts of our wild animal series to know the names of more wild animals. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Puppy.